to get started. So yeah, this is a pretty good one. I'll go ahead and give it an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be a color season analyst. What? I'm just confused at all. And if you didn't know what this is, I don't blame you, because I didn't know what this is either. I'm glad to hear that. And basically what you do in this position is you assess different color trends and you provide guidance on color selection for industries such as fashion design and product development. And you might get hired by fashion companies, interior design firms, cosmetic brands, and consumer product manufacturers. Now, obviously, in this position, you do have to have a good sense of fashion, and you have to be someone who's into that type of thing. But color analysts, when they get hired in a job, make about $48,000 to $72,000 a year. And of course, you can make much more than that as a freelancer. So overall, I'm going to go ahead and give this one a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be a very interesting thing, and that is a style advisor. And there's many different types of style advisors, but the one I'm going to pick is going to be a hairstyle advisor. I love it. Hey, that's probably something that I could use, huh? Yeah. Have you ever wondered what type of haircut would look best on you? Because apparently, depending on your face shape, certain types of haircuts look better than others. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is obviously something that I'm not very into, but with that being said, there is a lot of people out there that will pay good